Why do some people become rich while others struggle their whole life? It's not because they are smarter, it's because they think differently about money. In the next 3 minutes, I'll share 5 simple lessons that can completely change your financial life. Lesson 1. Money is about behavior. Money is not about how much you know, it's about how you behave. You don't need to be a genius to build wealth. Example: if you earn money but spend everything, you'll stay broke. But if you save and invest regularly, you'll slowly become rich. Simple rule: good habits, more money over time. Lesson 2. Save first, spend later. Most people do this: earn, spend, save what's left. But rich people do this: earn, save, spend what's left. Even if it's a small amount, start saving today. Because saving is not about money, it's about discipline. Lesson 3. Compounding is magic. Compounding means your money grows, and that growth also grows. Example: if you invest a little money regularly, over time it becomes big. But the secret is patience. The longer you stay invested, the faster your money grows. Lesson 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, don't spend more on useless things. New phone, expensive clothes, showing off. This keeps you stuck. Instead, increase your savings, increase your investments. That's how real wealth is built. Lesson 5. Money gives freedom. Real wealth is not cars or luxury. Real wealth is freedom to do what you want, freedom to say no, freedom to live life on your terms. Money is a tool. Use it to build freedom, not to impress people. So remember these 5 lessons. Subscribe and comment money for more videos like this.